I got the underlayment in. I still don't have the plywood for the walls, but that will come soon. I got the underlayment down and the laminate flooring is in the process of acclimating in here. Already with the underlayment, it's much warmer on the feet, that's for sure. Yeah, so things are moving along pretty quickly now. I ended up not putting the shelves up. I found another large pegboard, so I'm going to use the pegboard system, which I agree with my mom. She suggested this instead of the shelves. And I was originally going to go with a pegboard or a slat board. And I don't know why I decided to do shelving. There's the shelving there. So I ended up listing the shelving on Facebook Marketplace, and somebody is coming in a day or two to pick that up. And I decided to put in the underlay because I just don't want to wait anymore to do the next job. But I can't move any further until I get the plywood on the walls. And so this is where we stand.